Launched in 1957, the Lotus 7 was essentially a racing car for the road. Available in both fully assembled and kit forms, the two-seater was a simple but very effective design. A giant killer in competition, the 7 was evolved through 4 series, but as Chapman's road car aspirations pushed upmarket, so his enthusiasm for the low-profit kit car waned. However, by the time Lotus ceased production in 1971, a good number of its clients had become addicted to the little sports car.